In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive an email campaign in GoHighLevel. Archiving campaigns is a great way to keep your workspace clean and organized without permanently deleting your past work. It lets you hide campaigns you're no longer using while still keeping them available for reference later. Let's walk through this process step by step together. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account where your email campaigns are set up. Once you're there, look at the main menu on the left side of your screen. Find and click on the option labeled Marketing. This is where GoHighLevel groups most of the tools related to your marketing activities, including emails, social media, and more. After you click on Marketing, you'll see several options appear under that section. From here, click on Emails. This takes you into the area where all of your email-related tools and data live, including templates, broadcasts, and campaigns. Inside the Email section, look for the tab or submenu labeled Campaigns, and click on it. This is where you'll find a list of all your email campaigns. You should see each campaign with its name and some basic information, such as status or performance metrics, depending on your setup. Take a moment to locate the specific campaign you want to archive. It's a good idea to double check that you're choosing the correct one, especially if you have multiple campaigns with similar names. Once you've found the right campaign, move your mouse over to the right side of that campaign's row. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options or Kebab menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu of actions you can perform on that campaign. In the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Archive Campaign and click on it. When you select this, GoHighLevel will move that campaign out of your main active list and into the Archive section. This helps reduce clutter so you can focus on the campaigns that are currently running or being edited. After archiving, you can usually access archive campaigns through filters or an archived view within the same area, depending on your account settings. Archiving doesn't delete the campaign, it simply hides it from your everyday workflow. And that's all you need to do to archive an email campaign in GoHighLevel.